How to change your Amazon Prime password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your Amazon Prime password. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to primevideo.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to click on the profile icon and from here select Account and Settings. That's going to bring you to this page. Under the Your Account section, you have your details. Simply click on Edit on Amazon option. Here on Login and Security, you want to scroll down and find the option of Password. Now, you want to click on the Edit option next to it. On the next page, in order to change your password, you will have to enter your current password. Now, create a new password and enter it again for confirmation. Then click on the Save Changes option. Once you do that, you will be logged out of your account. Now, you will have to log in again using your new password. Once you log in, as you can see, your password has been successfully updated. And this is how you can change your Amazon Prime password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.